foods. Si teacher ako ay managot sa yang. Ang mga bata, di mo kalog junk foods. Kasabat? Bitaw. Kitang tanan, iwasan na ito mukhaon o junk foods. Kung gusto ito mabuhi, taman. 80 katuig o 100 years old. Gulay na prutas. Atong kaunon. No. Kailang tubig, daghan. Dili soft drinks. Okay, while waiting for our judges, for our table display, and for desserts for best and mascot, we will be entertained by a special presentation prepared to us by what grade level? Grade